How's it going, guys? Not much movement today on Hbar, but I will still break it down for you and explain why we're seeing that. At the moment, if I turn on the drawings now, there's a massive drop off back in April of last year, and that was a correction that the whole market experienced. Now, the performance of Hbar before that wasn't the greatest, and then it led to a minus 77% correction. From the moment Trump won, we saw it absolutely rocket 850%. This is a US based crypto, so there were incentives that they're going to be tax free for citizens. So why should holders then sell, well, at least American based holders, US based holders, sell their crypto if they still have to pay tax? Wait for the moment where it's tax free, then you can take profits. So that's why a coin like HBAR has held up so well on this past few months. The dump that we've experienced is more of a range. So very nicely that it held up well, but it's also been struggling to actually continue higher. And the main reason being is because it actually has come into a very important target. If I remove some fibs, I've measured that dump and we can see that we're at the 1/4 Fibonacci targets. That's what has sent HBAR lower. But equally, the 1272 is now support. So the support of the range. That then means as long as 27 cent, or more specifically in my box down here, 25 cent, it's a psychological level also, then I'm expecting HBAR to actually target 45 cent. But you can see I have some targets slightly above that as key levels of resistance. So I'm targeting 45 to about 58 cent. I'm not entirely sure, but I think that's the previous all-time high. Yeah, actually, exactly. And this level over here, that lower high. Wow. And I really believe that those come from my Fibonacci targets. So it's just showing you how accurate fibs are, because I'm not looking to the left, but when I'm analyzing using the fibs, because I know that these are the most accurate key levels. And then when I zoom out and look to the left, as the structure gives us clues, we can see that these are all correct support and resistance levels. So if you want to learn more about the fibs, use the links down below. What I need to see going forward in order to get all of these targets, see all of these targets, get a new all-time high, hit 80 cent, that would be absolutely incredible. What I need to see HBAR doing going forward. If you notice, I've added a few more fibs, and it's all messy right now, but I can read it for you. So we were focused on the 1/4 Fibonacci's previously, 33 and 36 cent. We identified that HBAR moved over 700, 800% into this key level of resistance, and it struggled ever since. So of course, breaking through it, it's a huge breakthrough, and it would then mean we're heading to the next key level of resistance. Now, placing other fibs, we're going to see some overlapping each other, and this is called confluence. So there's a lot in this region over here. It's just telling us that this is a key level. Once it's broken, once it's cleared out of the way, it's a huge area of support, but currently a huge area of resistance. So maybe in a future dip, this could be a potential bottom, this 30 to 40 cent range, once we tap into these higher price targets. So if we want to look at this more specifically, I want to see 35 and 36 cent, 36.8 cent broken. That is the ultimate level of resistance for me. I know the highest point is here 39 and 40 cent over here, but we can see also that when we pushed into this area, not only did we dump from the 886, but also the 786. So showing me this is also a key level of resistance, as this is also, but it's attempted to turn it into support. So if HBAR can maintain 25 cent range low and break 36.8 cents, the next target should be 45 to 55 cent. That is where a next resistance will be formed, and maybe move back down, as I was suggesting, into the 30 to 40 area before a new all-time high, heading up to 80 cents. That is it from me today. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you want to get educated, use the links down below, and I'll catch you over there. Cheers.